Hi everyone, this is the optical illusion art tutorial. Today I will teach you how to make a beautiful illusion art. So let's get started. So first I will tell you the materials that are required. So that are pencil, eraser and compass. So now take a measure of compass. You want it to be as much as big. I wanted this much. Now we have to make a circle. After making a circle, on the any end of the circle, just put the compass, and on the same measure, just make another circle. And now you have to continue it from the edge of the other circle. Start making a new circle. And you have to continue the same from every edge of the circle. Start making a new circle. I have made the circles. If you can't understand it, I will again explain you. Just make a circle and from any edge just start making another circle. I have made this one, and then from the edge of this circle just start making another. Then from every edge you have to make a circle. Now it looks like this. Now on every like this and put a circle for the remainder. Now from the middle, from the middle of this just start another circle. And continue the same procedure like it is stopping here, so the another circle will be formed here. From every edge of the circle, and every circle will be of same length, the middle circle was made. Now from this side, and it will continue like this. From every edge of the circle you have to start a new circle. On the end just stop it. Now see, it looks like this. Now erase these circles. If you will not erase, there will be confusion, so erase these circles. After erasing the circles, again make circles but on different place. Like on like this angle, make a circle. On every like this angle, make a circle. You will remember where to start the another circle by these circles. Now again it will be same, just from the same measure, again from the middle of it. Now start it. Again we started making circles, and remember like where the compass is stopping, like it is stopping here. So remember that you have to make the another circle starting here. This one is like confusing, so I will show you the whole thing. Okay, like this one will have one more. I am showing you, just see. If you have any question, you can post in the comment. I will definitely answer it. And if you then also not understand, I will make separate video to make you understand. This is the last one because see, two angles now are crossing. So this one is the last. Like this, you will come to know that this will be the last circle. Now it is differently. Somewhere it is circle and somewhere it is plane. So some angles would be like so small and some will be big. So start from again big angle. from middle to start. Now again start making circles. Remember the position it will end. Later you will get confused. I know it is very confusing. If you want me to upload more tutorials, just comment me or I will upload like the arts I have uploaded till now. For example, doodle art, triangulation art, paintings and more. Also elementary art. Oh, I am just confused. I made a wrong circle. It's like now it is ending on this, means the art is completed. This is the last one. Just wait, I am erasing this line. Now it looks like this. If you don't want to make an illusion art, it is good like this also. But illusionally you have to make some more changes in it. I am like teaching you with pencil, but you will make with permanent marker or black sketch pen. It will be like more okay, because pencil shadings like फैल जाती है, so it will not look good. Now erase these circles that you have made. I am erasing them. Now after erasing the circles, it is looking like this. Now again the use of compass will be there, but with another measure. Like just how I like say you. So now like I am explaining you with the pencil, you have to do it compass. You can see these small patterns. One circle will be from here we are marking, then half from here, then from every midpoint there will be circle. This side there is, this side, this side. Now we start making like this. See, like this you have to make it. Just make a small circle as marked. On half of every this pattern you have to make a circle. It is made. Now from this, see it. From every half. I am also showing you how to make it because it is a little confusing. See, now from here just make a circle. See, this much circles you have to make. It is not looking illusionist, but I will show you how to make it illusionist. Now I will explain you how to make it look illusionist. I can't color it right now because this much big, it will take 1 hour. So like this is the pattern. So every downward like this you have to color. Every downward, this, every this pattern should look, and this pattern should be colored. Like this one, every this one pattern should be colored. Oh, I forgot circle here. I'm just making it. I have made the circle. Now look, on every like this pattern you have to not color. On this patterns, this will be colored, this will be colored, this will be colored, this, and from this side this is like this one be colored, this. So everyone like this will be colored. This one, this one, this one, this one. Till here only it will be colored. Are you understanding me? Also make a circle here. Until here only it will be colored, not more than that. I am like showing you a reference picture. You will see it and you will understand how to make it. I am just showing it. You have seen the reference picture, so I hope you loved this video. If you loved it, just leave a comment like this video and subscribe my channel. Also, if you want more tutorials, just comment it, or any query comment it. I will surely reply to it. And if I could, like, it is a query that it should be understandable, so I will again make it and make you understand this. Thank you.